I've had $1 to my name. I've had friends that walked away, and I've even lost myself a time or two. There were bridges crossed and burned through all the wreckage I have learned. There is one thing I can never lose. If I got Jesus, I've got all that I could ever need. Take the world away from me, and I'll be okay. If I got Jesus, there's a hope that's living deep inside, a joy that I can never hide, a safe place to fall. If I got Jesus, I got it all. Yeah. I've seen weakness turn to strength. I've seen failures met with grace, and it's not from what I've done, it's Christ in me. A miracle I can't explain. Oh, He's given me His name. I'm the richest man I could ever be. If I got Jesus, I've got all that I could ever need. Take the world away from me, and I'll be okay. If I got Jesus, there's a hope that's living deep inside, a joy that I can never hide, a safe place to fall. If I got Jesus, I got it all. Yeah. Someday that trumpet's gonna sound, and the King of Heaven will ride upon the clouds coming down. Oh, I'll hit my knees, oh Lord, then sings my soul. I'm going home, we're going home. If I got Jesus, there's a hope that's living deep inside, a joy that I can never hide, a safe place to call. If I got Jesus, there's a hope that's living deep inside, a joy that I could never hide, a safe place to fall. If I got Jesus, I got it all. If I got Jesus, I got it all. I got it all. Amen. Vou para nesse roupa na via, deixa você.